Welcome back to another video, everyone, and I'm doing a special Vicks Vapor Rub challenge today. So, for the next 5 days, I'll be rubbing Vicks Vapor Rub all over my stomach pre-workout, and because I don't have a waist trainer, I'll be using some cling wrap, and I'll also be wrapping that on me after applying the Vicks Vapor Rub. However, what this challenge is supposed to do is apparently there's some type of substance in the Vicks Vapor Rub that allows you to lose stomach fat. So today, we're going to test it out. So I plan on doing a 2-mile run, and after my 2-mile run, I will be showing you guys my after body effects of doing this Vapor Rub challenge. And I'm going to be doing this for 5 days, okay, everyone? 5 days. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned.